Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a website icon just like this one here or here in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the website that you want to use or add the website icon or the favicon on, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and first let's give it a visit. Where is my website link? This is it. As you see, till now my website does not have or does not use the favicon. So how to use a favicon? It's simple. Just click on more, then go to general settings, and here next click on favicon and click on add image. You can upload your favicon file from here. If you still don't have a favicon design, you can simply design it by going to this website called, let's look for it, favicon. Yes, this is it, favicon.io. Click on text to icon. And here, you can, for example, you can put here your website name first character. For example, this website called Ben's Test Site. Let's go with B. Here you can change the background from square, circle like this. Yes, I will go with circle. You can also use or select the website or the text font from this very long list of text font. Let's look for something. Okay, this is okay. You can also edit as you see, as you change those features or options, you can preview your icon here. I will go with this bold text. For the font size, you can customize it from here. Let's go with the default 110. For the button, for the text font color, you can pick it from here. What is my branding colors? Okay, you can also view it here directly in the web browser. I think I will go with black and white. I think this is good. It looks good here. Okay, now click on download. This font IO zip or file is compressed. Click on it to decompress it, and this is your favicon. Now let's upload it. So as I said before, click on more, general settings, favicon, add image, then click on upload files. This is the file I've just downloaded, and let's upload this biggest one, 512x times 512. Double click and it will be start uploading here. Select the favicon you've just from my library tab. Click on select on the favicon you've just uploaded, and just like that, don't forget to hit the save changes button, then close this window and then update your website from this corner. Now that my website is updated, let's view it live. And just like that, this is the favicon that I've just created. And this is how to add a website icon, or which is a good branding tip in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.